Milk fever prevention in high-producing dairy cows relies on dietary manipulation during prepartum period to stimulate calcium homeostatic mechanisms. This is best achieved by feeding a diet that is high calcium, low phosphorus, low calcium, high phosphorus, high calcium, high phosphorus, low calcium, low phosphorus. And the correct answer is option B, that is low in calcium, high in phosphorus. In dogs presenting with acute cranial abdominal pain, adoption of a praying stance posture in which forelimbs are extended with hindquarters elevated is most classically associated with which condition? Gastric dilatation, acute pancreatitis, intestinal obstruction, peritonitis. And the correct answer is option B, that is acute pancreatitis. Milk fever, a parturient hypocalcemia, occurs more frequently in certain dairy breeds due to higher calcium output and reduced calcium homeostasis. Which breed of cow is most susceptible? Holstein Friesian, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Jersey. And the correct answer is option D, that is Jersey. Carl toe paralysis, commonly observed in young poultry due to peripheral nerve dysfunction, is classically associated with dietary deficiency of which vitamin? Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine. And the correct answer is option B, that is riboflavin. When blood originating from the lungs or lower respiratory tract is expelled through the nostrils or mouth during coughing, this clinical condition is termed as epistaxis, metamesis, hemoptysis, melena. And the correct answer is option C, that is hemoptysis. In jaundice, where bile flow from the liver to the intestine is obstructed, conjugated bilirubin regurgitates back into circulation. This pattern is characteristic of which type of jaundice? Obstructive, prehepatic, hepatic, hemolytic. And the correct answer is option A, that is obstructive. The passage of feces containing clots of whole blood hematochezia most strongly indicates bleeding originating from which region of the gastrointestinal tract? Stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine. And the correct answer is option D, that is large intestine. Maintenance of ruminal pH between 6.2 and 7.2 favors which dominant microbial population in cattle? Amylolytic bacteria, cellulitic bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, pathogenic flora. And the correct answer is option B, that is cellulitic bacteria. The primary physiological mechanism that helps maintain ruminal pH within the normal range is rumen motility, microbial turnover, water intake, salivary buffering. And the correct answer is option D, that is salivary buffering. In a healthy animal, arterial blood pH is normally closest to which value range? 6.8 to 7, 7 to 7.2, 7.35 to 7.45, 7.6 to 7.8. And the correct answer is option C, that is 7.3 to 7.45. In epidemiology, a localized environmental site where an infectious agent persists and from which infections can spread to susceptible hosts is termed as reservoir, vector, fomite, nidus. And the correct answer is option D, that is nidus. Which term specifically denotes disease caused by the actions of a healthcare professional rather than by infection or unknown cause? Iatrogenic, zoonotic, nosocomial, sporadic. And the correct answer is option A, that is iatrogenic. Normal fermentation activity and survival of cellulitic microflora in the bovine rumen require maintenance of ruminal fluid pH within which physiological range? 4.2 to 5.2, 5.2 to 6.2, 6.2 to 7.2, 7.5 to 8. And the correct answer is option C, that is 6.2 to 7.2. The praying posture, forelimbs extended with hindquarters elevated, observed in dogs with acute pancreatitis, primarily reflects an attempt to improve respiration, reduce pancreatic pain, facilitate vomiting, relieve intestinal gas. And the correct answer is option B, that is to reduce pancreatic pain. During physical examination of a dairy cow, inspection reveals a slab-sided abdomen on the left side. This abdominal contour change most strongly supports a diagnosis of rumen tympani, right hypomesal displacement, left hypomesal displacement, vagus indigestion. And the correct answer is option C, that is left hypomesal displacement. In farm animals, jaundice most commonly develops due to excessive red blood cell destruction, leading to increased unconjugated bilirubin. This pattern of icterus is classified as pre-hepatic, hepatic, post-hepatic, cholestatic. And the correct answer is option A, that is pre-hepatic. The presence of clay-colored feces helps differentiate obstructive jaundice from pre-hepatic jaundice because obstructive jaundice is characterized by excess hemolysis, increased conjugation, blocked bile flow, hepatic necrosis. And the correct answer is option C, that is blocked bile flow. The primary mechanism responsible for abdominal pain in equine flatulent colic is mucosal inflammation, mesenteric torsion, peritoneal effusion, intestinal stretching. And the correct answer is option D, that is intestinal stretching. Anemia resulting from iron deficiency is characterized by reduced hemoglobin synthesis, leading to smaller red blood cells with decreased hemoglobin concentration. This type of anemia is best classified as normocytic normochromic, microcytic hyperchromic, microcytic hypochromic, normocytic hypochromic. And the correct answer is option C, that is microcytic hypochromic. Equine infectious anemia causes anemia primarily due to immune-mediated and viral effects rather than impaired erythropoiesis. Therefore, the red blood cell indices in affected horses are typically classified as normocytic normochromic, microcytic hyperchromic, microcytic hypochromic, normocytic hypochromic. And the correct answer is normocytic normochromic. Several drugs stimulate respiration by acting on the respiratory center or by antagonizing CNS depressant pathways. Among the following agents, which does not act as a respiratory stimulant? Doxaprom, salbutamol, picrotoxin, caffeine. And the correct answer is option B, that is salbutamol. In foals, occurrence of intestinal colic with or without associated intestinal tympany immediately after birth most commonly reflects a disorder related to parasitic infestation, congenital obstruction, meconium retention, gastric ulceration. And the correct answer is option C, that is meconium retention. Maintenance of normal neuromuscular function and milk secretion in healthy cows depends on tightly regulated serum calcium concentration. The normal serum calcium level in adult cattle is closest to each range: 6 to 8 mg per deciliter, 8 to 9 mg per deciliter, 9 to 11 mg per deciliter, 11 to 13 mg per deciliter. And the correct answer is option C, that is 9 to 11 mg per deciliter. During progression of parturient hypocalcemia in cows, development of lateral deviation or kink of the neck reflects advancing neuromuscular dysfunction. This clinical sign is most characteristic of which stage of milk fever? Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4. And the correct answer is option B, that is Stage 2. In cases of bacterial meningitis, effective therapy requires an antibiotic capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. The drug classically regarded as the antibiotic of choice is penicillin, gentamicin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline. And the correct answer is Option C, that is chloramphenicol.